Want to view two apps side by side on your smartboard? In this video, we'll learn how to use the split screen feature on your smartboard with IQ. Open the two apps you want to use. For example, your Whiteboard and Maps apps. Next, tap Recents to bring up your list of open apps. Then, tap Split. Then tap the second app you want to display. This will appear on the opposite side. Drag the divider left or right between the two windows to adjust how much space each app gets. You can now interact with both apps side by side. Great for comparing information, referencing websites while writing, or showing content while annotating. When you're done, drag the divider all the way to the left or right side to return to single app view. If you'd like to see more videos like this, or discover how Smart provides support that goes beyond the purchase, be sure to subscribe to the Smart Support YouTube channel and visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.